Taris. So, okay, so we will start. No, our topic for today is, can AI help us more richer? Di ba? Nasa era na tayo ng AI ngayon, no? Sabi nila, we are in the AI revolution. So, ibig sabihin, no? Whether we like it or not, no? Nasa era na po tayo ng artificial intelligence. And as you can see here sa monitor natin, siguro if you're using any of these apps, no? Ang daming mga AI-based apps ngayon. So, if you're using any of these apps, that means you are already using AI. So gumagamit na tayo ng AI. Kung napansin nyo, may bagong section or curriculum ngayon sa mga universities, nakasama na yung AI education. So hindi na talaga natin mapipigilan yung AI. But the question is, are you earning with AI? Kumikita ba tayo sa AI or baka naubos ang oras natin, naubos ang pera natin sa kagagamit ng AI? Because whether you like it or not, no, kung alam natin or not, we are using AI. So that is why today, no, we are so lucky, no, na we're going to discuss Aurum Foundation. No, Aurum Foundation is an AI finance ecosystem company na nagdi-develop ng mga AI-powered products, no? Gumagawa sila ng mga AI-powered products for the purpose of helping us, no? Helping us grow, no? Preserve our money through digital assets, no? Dito sa company na to, which is AI-powered company, magagamit natin, no? We can maka-plug in po tayo sa kanila para yung pera natin will grow to the level na gusto natin. For example, gusto natin ng extra income or gusto natin ng mayroon tayong project, mayroon tayong bahay na gustong tatapusin, mayroon tayong mga credit na gustong babayaran lahat or gusto natin pang retirement or gusto nating makaipon man lang, no, para magka-uwi if you are an OFW. So this is the company, no? Totoong company na talagang nag-o-offer natin ng ah, ganong ah, ganong opportunity. So this is the right company, no? An AI powered company that can help us, no? Na kumikita using AI. Sige, so tingnan natin ano ba yung mga product ng Aurum Foundation. If this is an AI powered company, ano naman yung mga products nila na pwede natin gamitin? Kasi one of the kasi pag di natin alam, we cannot understand ano yung mga products, baka masama tayo sa mga iba't ibang companies na sinalihan natin na di natin alam specifically kung ano talaga ang product ng isang company na sinasalihan natin. Nagjujuwi lang tayo kasi nakita na natin na may naka-withdraw, may kumikita. Di ba? But we don't know exactly kung ano talaga yung products. But dito guys, no, gusto kong explain, no, sa lahat ng mga participants natin, no, the products of Aurum Foundation. So first, meron tayong crypto cards. Okay? Meron tayong crypto cards. So crypto mga 10 to 15 years ago, parang mga tao negative about crypto, no? Normal reaction ng mga tao pag there's something new, normal reaction natin yan na magtatanong tayo, no? To the point na yung level natin of asking is nasa negative side na tayo. But look at crypto now. Crypto is widely accepted because of its efficacy, security, low transaction fees at napakabilis. Walang boundaries, no? Seamless yung crypto transaction. So, one of our products ngayon sa Aurum Foundation is itong Aurum Crypto Cards. So, itong card na to ay nagli-link between the crypto world to the fiat world, no? Fiat meaning yung papel na pera natin. Kasi if you have a crypto asset, hindi ba basta-basta mo ma-encash yan, no? You need to learn paano ba ma-encash yung crypto mo. But with this product, no, with this product na we are partnering with Visa and Master. With this product, kung meron kang Bitcoin, meron kang USDT, automatically, punta ka lang sa mga ATM machine that accepts Visa or Mastercard, no? Pwede mo nang ma-withdraw yung crypto mo. Kung nasa Pilipinas ka, you can withdraw peso. Kung nasa US ka, ma-withdraw mo dollar. Kung nasa Japan ka, katulad ni Ma'am Lani, no? Yen yung ma-withdraw mo. So it's global spending, no? And then this is accepted in the whole world, no? Ang kagandahan pa ng ating Aurum card, no? You can also, aside from withdrawing your crypto asset, pwede ka ring pwede mo rin itong gamitin sa mga stores, sa mga institutions nag-a-accept ng Visa and Master, no? So pwede kang bumili ng mga items na gusto mong bilhin using your Aurum Visa and Mastercard. Again, ang source niyan, ang laman niyan is crypto. Pero pwede mong gamitin pangbili, no, ng mga items sa store, no? So automatic na yung conversion from crypto to peso to dollar or to yen. And another features ng card natin, no? It also supports Apple Pay and Google Pay, no? If karamihan ang binibili itong Black Aurum Infinity Card na ang spending limit every year is every month pala. Every month is $100,000, 100,000 USDT. No? Sa about 6 million pesos per month yung spending limit namin. That's sa product number one. So malinaw yan. Meron tayong product. And this is a physical product, no? Partnering with Visa and Master. So if that Visa card and Mastercard company is partnering a certain company like Aurum, that means this company is legit because they cannot simply partner a company kung questionably yung isang company. So, meron ding due diligence ang Visa at saka Mastercard. So, punta tayo sa pangalawang product. Yung second product na meron ang Aurum is the exchange. Ito yung trading platform, no? Just like Binance, no? If you're familiar with Binance, OKX, no, you can also use our exchange to buy and sell crypto assets for the purpose of holding. Bili ka ng crypto ngayon, pwede mong ibenta next year, i-hold mo, or you can do trading. Mag-buy and sell ka talaga if you have the knowledge, no? So to trade. Now, what are the advantages of our exchange? Okay? Ang exchange natin, guys, no, is running on a Polygon system wherein napakabilis ng transaction, no? Zero slippage, mean to say market execution, napakabilis bumili ng mga assets kung gusto mong bilhin kasi gusto yan ng mga trader eh. Gusto nila pagbili nila, execute kagad. At napakababa yung transaction fees, no? 0.1% yung trading fees natin and then up to 100 times leverage. So mean to say yung if you have a $100 na capital dito times 100, so maging ano yan? Maging 10,000. Yun po yung ibig sabihin ng 100 leverage. So that's the second product sa mga guests natin, sa mga friends natin na mahiling mag-trade. Number three, yung pangatlong products natin, ito yung tinatawag natin na RWA. RWA stands for Real World Asset. Real World Asset like real estate, gold, and marami pang iba. But the first RWA gold natin, product natin is gold. Kasi gold is it is globally established as a store of value, no? Ginagamit natin yung gold to preserve capital, no? Yun po yung totoong pera talaga, no? In fact, ang pag-print, no, dati ang pag-print ng mga pera natin is based sa ating gold reserve. Ang problema lang ng gold, pag bumili tayo ng gold ngayon sobrang mahal. Pangalawa, if we accumulate gold, lagi natin sa bahay, delikado. Kasi baka malaman ng mga kapitbahay natin na may hangal na intensyon. So baka mananakaw yung gold natin. So kailangan natin gawin, ilagay sa vault. So we're spending, no? Money na to preserve sa gold. So ang kagandahan ng gold natin sa Aurum, this is tokenized, no? Tokenized ibig sabihin we can purchase gold in a smaller amount. para lahat ng mga Pilipino, lahat ng mga tao sa buong mundo, no, ay pwedeng makabili ng ganito para mabigyan ng opportunity ang pera nila to grow. And then napakaganda ng investment model dito sa gold, no? The model is 50-50. So if you buy a package, no? If you buy an RWA package, so 50-50 yung split. So the 50% goes to real gold allocation and the remaining 50% goes to trading. So tinitrade yung kalahati, no? At sa pagbili natin ng RWA, ang kagandahan, yung 50% natin na allocated to gold, naka-discount yan 30%. So tinatawag yan 30% structural discount kasi actual price, the moment nagbili tayo, less 30% yan. So ibig sabihin, mas marami yung the amount of gold, no, yung 50% ay maraming mabibili kasi nakalis ng 30%. Now, after the end of 12 months, now we have the option to get the real gold or to get the tokenized gold plus the trading income from the other 50%. So for example, ang minimum package natin sa RWA is $100. Ang $50 goes to physical gold, discounted 30%, like in for 1 year. And then the other $50 goes to trading na ang APY nito, no, ang annual projected yield is nasa 63.6%. So ibig sabihin at the end of the year, yung $50 mo maging $80 plus meron ka pang gold na more than $50. No? So yung $100 mo nag-grow into USDT and into gold. Di ba? Who else can give us 63.6%, no, sa pera natin? So it can let our money grow. Now, kung dito ka sa $300 package, no, ang annual yield natin is 65.7%. Kung dito ka sa 600, 67.8% until yung pinakamataas natin na package is 25,000 USDT. The average yield per year is 78.3%. Guys, if I have the money, if I can secure a money right now, I will buy this RWA. No? Napakagandang value itong, for me, is $10,000. But ngayon, iipon pa tayo eh, no? Para makabili tayo dito. Or I can just start. Siguro next month, I will start to buy 100 USDT. No? So, another futures po nito guys, even if yearly yung estimated annual return, kasi annual is yearly, pero ang crediting nito is everyday. Kasi everyday yung trading sa gold. No? So, makikita natin yung actual income natin everyday dito. Okay? So, that's number 3 product. And number 4 product na mayroon tayo ngayon, this is my favorite product, is itong Aurum uh, AXEI bot. This is an AI powered bot, no? That is autonomous, mean to say automatic nagtitrade for us 24/7. Alam naman natin na ang pag once ang AI na mag-analyze ng trading, no human person can outperform, no? The bot. Kasi imagine nyo, uh, gawin natin comparison yung accountant. Yung isang accountant can analyze or read records, at least 50 records per day. No, 50 lang na records na pwedeng ma-check, mabasa ng isang accountant every day. But with AI-powered accountant, no, kayang mag-read ng 10,000 records per minute. So ganun kabilis yung AI. So ilagay natin diyan sa konteksto ng trading, napakalawak ng data niya, no? Mabilis mag-analyze and then mabilis din mag-execute. So yung risk natin, no? Ang risk natin of losing a trade ay very minimal. At ang kaganahan ng bot na to, guys, no? Meron na itong record for the last 2.5 years. Ang record niya for the last 2.5 years is 17.5%. No, 17.5% profit every month. So kaya this is my favorite kasi may proven track record na. na 2.5%. So if I put in money here dito sa AXEI bot, no? I am pretty sure, no? I am pretty sure na magkaroon din ako ng yield nito at every month. Which is yun, totoo nga eh. I invested $100 kasi yun lang po yung ma-afford ko in April this year. At ngayon, kumikita na yung capital ko sa trading. Okay, now this is the profit distribution. So yung 17.5% ay hindi yan totally ibibigay sa company sa atin. Kasi mayroon siyang sharing eh. Mayroong sharing. So for example, ah kung yung capital mo is $100, nasa 10.49% lang per month yung ating profit. And this is 60% share. Ang remaining 40% goes to the company. Pag naka $249 ka, yung niligay mo dito sa $249, no? Your profit per month is 11.37%. That's equivalent to 65% of 17.5%. Kung 1,000 yung capital mo, maging 12.24% yung kita mo every month because naka 70% ka. Kung nasa 2,500 ka, that's 13.12% kasi 75% na yung share mo dito. No? Kung 5,000, nasa 13.99% kasi 80% share ka. Sa $10,000, nasa 14.827% kasi 85% share. Ang pinakataas, no? $50,000 capital, no? 16.62% per month kasi 95% yung sharing mo. Okay? So, nakita natin na proven track record ng bot na to is for the past 2.5 years. Napakaganda. So, ibig sabihin, no? Balikan natin yung $10,000. Kung mayroon kang $10,000, o dito na lang sa $1,000, no? Yung $1,000 mo ay kikita ng 12.24% per month. That is $120 per month. Magkano yan in piso? Nasa 7,000 guys. No? Imagine, meron kang 1,000 sa bot. Kapital mo yan, pera mo yan. At kikita ka ng 7,000 per month. No? Ang laking tulong na yan para sa mga bills natin. At ang pinakagandang features ng bot na to is yung compounding. No? Sa lahat ng mga product ng Aurum, ito lang yung mayroong compounding capability. So what is compounding? For example, yung capital mo is 10,000. Kumita ng 1,487 in 1 month. Pwede mo ibalik, idagdag sa capital yung profit mo. So maging 11,487 siya on the second month. I-apply natin yung 14.87% sa 10,000. Tataas yung kita mo. And then you can see, tinan mo yung record guys, yung performance. After 5 months, magdoble yung ano mo, yung capital mo until in 1 year, no? Aabot siya ng $52,000 in 1 year. Di ba? So, ayaw ko naman sabihin na mag-compound ka straight for 1 year. Pwede ka mag-withdraw in every month. Pwede mo i-withdraw yung kalahating kita. Pwede mo i-compound yung remaining. Ang importante lang, there is a compounding capability. Di ba? So, napakaganda ng product na to guys. This is proven na for the last 2.5 years. So mayroon lang special regulation na gusto kong ipaalam kasi importante itong malaman natin. Itong particular bot na to, no? So again, ang projected na profit niya per month based on the 2.5 years performance is 17.5%. No? Ang activation ng bot na to pag nalagyan mo ng capital is within 12 to 24 hours from the time of deposit. No? Ang profit is accrued daily, 7 days a week. Mean to say, ang kita natin is everyday makikita. And then once yung profit is na-accumulate, yung withdrawal is 24/7. No? Anytime of the day, basta na-hit yung minimum withdrawal, we can withdraw it every day. And then papasok sa wallet natin yung pera natin within 48 to 72 hours. Okay? And then yung principal amount, okay, yung principal amount, this is very important. Meron siyang 365 days contract. Nakakontrata ang kapital natin for 365 days. Ibig sabihin, pag i-withdraw natin yung capital natin before matapos yung 365 days, mag-apply siya, mag-charge siya ng 35% termination fee. Okay? So, mayroong 35 termination fee na i-apply. So, bakit mayroong ganong 35%? Kasi guys, ang bot natin na to, this is a proprietary bot proven for 2.5 years. Okay? Nagbibigay din ito ng ah, rewards or commission sa mga nakasponsor sa atin, no? May magandang rewards to, may magandang commission. So, pag naglagay tayo ng ng kapital natin at kinabukasan winidraw natin, pero tapos na yung company nagbabayad ng mga rewards, lugi si company. So, this is a safety net, no? Again, this is about the capital. Yung capital mo pag i-pull out natin, kasi capital natin yan, i-pull out natin for emergency purposes. No? Meron tayong emergency need. No? And wala na tayong other source. Pwede natin ma-withdraw on the 1st, on the 10th, on the 20th of each month. Kaya lang, mayroong termination fee na 35%. But kung umaabot na yan ng 1 year, then i-withdraw natin yung capital, wala nang charge. Yung charge na mag-a-apply is yung ano lang, is yung 1% withdrawal fee. So again, walang lock-in, no? Wala itong lock-in, mayroon lang 365 days contract na kung i-withdraw mo yung capital mo within the 365 days period, mayroong termination fee na 35%. But beyond that, wala. Okay? So the profit is of course, no? Yung profit na ma-generate sa trading with this bot is $25 lang. So every day, no, pwede mong i-withdraw as long as umaabot yan ng $25 profit. Okay? And then the next bot, ito yung pang ilang product na ba ito? Pang lima? Or pang-anim, no? Pang-anim na product natin is yung Pro, XEI Pro. Itong XEI Pro is an upgrade ng ating XEI. Now, ang benefits nito, no, ang yield nito is up to 10% per month. No, mas mababa ng konti, up to 10% per month, no? And then $100 na ninyong $100 ang minimum deposit, no? Withdraw anytime. Wala itong kontrata. So you can withdraw your capital anytime using this bot, and then may requirement lang. You cannot use this XEI Pro kung wala kayong active EXEI. No? So kailangan meron kang EXEI na active account para makagamit ka sa Pro. So again, wala itong kontrata. You can withdraw your profit and capital anytime. And the next bot, pangatlong bot ito, this is the Orom Zeus AI bot, no? Ano yung difference nito? The Zeus AI bot, no, ang features nito, number one, pag nag-trade tayo ng BNB, ng Dodge, ng Pepe, ang yield niya monthly is up to 15%. But kung nag-trade tayo sa BTC, sa Ethereum, ang profit per month is up to 10%. Withdrawal fee is 1%. Ang processing time of withdrawal is 72 hours. Meron itong network fee. And again, just like the Pro, wala itong kontrata. You can withdraw your capital and your profit at any time na walang charge. Okay. And the latest AI-powered bot natin, ito tinatawag natin na Nero. Itong Nero guys is non-custodial trading agents. Pag sinabing non-custodial, yung pera natin sa Trust Wallet natin or any crypto wallet na meron tayo ay directly connected doon sa trading platform. Hindi na siya dadaan sa Orom system. Direct na. That is why tinatawag siya na non-custodial agents. And then ito yung performance niya kasi nasa testing phase pa to eh. Nasa testing phase. Ito yung 3 months result. The first month is 22.6%. The second month is 28.9%. And on the third month is 31.4%. Kaya lang, ang minimum dito na capital is $1,000. So imagine mo, kung nag-put up ka ng $1,000, basing from the latest, no, last month's result, 31%, that's $300 per month. Di ba? So, I'm also excited to use this one. Sa ngayon lang, wala pa tayong extra fund for that. So, pero ang dami ng user. I will show you later the users. Mga more than 3,000 na yung, check natin actually yung users niya. Okay, so next we also have the Neobank. Neobank is digital banking, no? Just like GCash, Maya. So mga digital bank 'yan. So we also have a digital bank dito sa Aurum. Ang digital bank natin is registered in Poland. Okay? So ang features natin is we can withdraw, we can deposit, we can transfer. And then aside from that, no, yung neobank natin connects, no, makikita natin sa neobank yung bots result, yung Aurum cards balances, no, yung partner team natin kung mayroon tayong mga customers, live trading results, no, makikita natin. We can top up, we can yun, yung mga benefits sa sa mga digital wallets like GCash, no? Ay available din dito in a global scale, no? In a global scale. So mamaya, no, we will open, no? I-open natin yung sa trading natin, i-open natin yung ano natin, neobank natin. Okay, so guys, napakaganda ng products, no? Totoong products uh, that can help our money grow. 'Di ba? So, sa title ng ating webinar, can AI really help us more richer? Ang ano yan, ang sagot is yes. Because lahat ng mga products ng Aurum Foundation ay AI powered na with one objective, to help us make money with AI. Okay, so napakagandang product. The next question, baka katulad din ito ng mga companies ngayon na naglalaho na, hindi na nagbibigay ng payout, nawala na po yung mga mga tinatawag nilang CEO, no? Sa mga companies na yon. Guys, this company is a real company. No, this is founded by 35, no, or started by 35 top caliber professionals na may experience sa finance, sa blockchain at sa mga AI driven trading. Itong mga tao na to, no, 8 data analysts, 10 software developers, 7 financial analysts, galing sila sa mga malalaking company like Binance, no. Binance is the number one crypto exchange in the whole world. Morgan Stanley, no, one of the biggest traditional finance company. IBM, ito yung technology company, gumagawa ng mga software, AI, at saka mga computers. Yung Bitget naman, OKX, mga trading platform din sila. At saka Wise is a fintech company. So, real people with real experience sa finance, blockchain, and AI. Kaya, we are so blessed na uh, nandito tayo sa company na to. And then, who are the people behind? Ma-verify ba natin yung mga tao? Kasi pag hindi natin ma-verify yung mga tao, baka tatakbuhan lang tayo sa balang araw. 'Di ba? Sino yung hahabulin natin? Wala. 'Di ba? So, these are real people no, with real track record. So, ang CEO nila is si Brian Benson, no? Brian Benson is a former, no, Binance director for Latin America with 27 years of experience sa crypto, blockchain, and DeFi. DeFi meaning decentralized finance. So this person is a real person and we can verify this person. No, kasi isa siya sa mga speakers, especially sa mga crypto events. So, last crypto events, tinatawag yan na Token 2049, one of the big events sa crypto every year. The last one was held in Singapore sa Marina Bay. So, last October 1 to 2, no? 5 silang key speakers doon, no? Binance CEO si Richard Teng, no? CEO ng Tether, CEO ng KuCoin, CEO ng Tron, no? Kasama si Brian Benson diyan. So makita natin is exposed, no? Globally about talks of AI and crypto. And then fortunately, yung mga senior affiliate ng Aurum na pumuntang Cebu, no? Sila po yung nagdadala ng Aurum Foundation dito sa Cebu last March, no? So, this is Ma'am Jeannie sa left, yung husband niya si Sir Mars Lubido. They actually went to the office in Dubai, no? Pinuntahan nila yung opisina sa Dubai, and then nakausap nila yung nakausap nila si Brian Binson, ang CEO of Aurum. No? So, nakita ko si Sir Mars at si Ma'am Jeannie, and then parang nakita at nakausap ko na rin si Brian Binson. Diba? So, these people is uh, real CEO, no, of Aurum. Hindi siya actor, hindi siya AI generated CEO. Okay, so next to Brian Binson is Andrew Isaacs. Si Andrew Isaacs is the CEO, no? Galing din ito sa Galaxy, Evercore and Morgan Stanley with 18 plus years of experience sa finance and institutional finance. Pag sinabing institutional finance, investment banking yan. Yun po yung experience ni Andrew Isaac. And then dami nila, no? Ahmad Zen, Shin Moran, no? Leonardo Galindez, Iris Key, Nicholas Skillan, no? Brent Fuller, Tobias Bauer, meron pa Nick Patel, Bokhari Calocos sa Chief Africa Relations, kasi yung gold natin is galing sa South Africa, no? Specifically sa government of Sierra Leone. Guys, itong mga tao na to ay verifiable persons with with credibility. And I don't think nagsasama sila to create forum just to scam people. I think so. So they're building Aurum, no? Para magamit natin ang AI technology to alleviate our financial situation. Okay? Napakaganda yung purpose nila po dito. Okay? So at this point, nakikita natin, mayroon bang real company? Meron bang real people behind? Meron ba silang real CEO na publicly visible and verifiable? And the answer is yes. Pangalawa, meron ba silang product? And as you can see, ang product natin, ang output pera. At lahat tayo ay gustong kumita ng pera. No, even church, kailangan nila ng pera. Even government, kailangan ng pera. How much more tayo? Di ba? So, the third question siguro, can I withdraw my capital at any time? Nabanggit natin kanina, yes. You can withdraw your capital at any time. Sa ibang mga products natin, as in any time. But for XEI bot, meron 365 days na contract, but you can still withdraw it, no? In case of emergency, no? Every first, 10, and 20th of the month. Meron lang pre-termination fee na 35% for that bot as long as within siya sa 365 days period. Okay. So, proceed tayo. Tuloy tayo sa legal and corporate structure. So, sang bansa ba registered si Aurum? No? Sang country ba siya registered? So, Aurum is built on a transparent and multi-jurisdiction legal foundation. No? Multi-jurisdiction, multi-nationality. So, in fact, yung first office natin, no, was in Hong Kong. Ito yung the foundation of Aurum Foundation, no, was in Hong Kong, no, last November of 2024. And after that, we have an office in the corporate office in Dubai, and then we have an office in business registration in Poland, and just lately we have a business registration in Canada. So at the bottom makikita natin yung business registration number sa Poland, sa Dubai, sa Hong Kong, at saka sa Canada. Okay? So pwede yan ma-verify. Okay? So the next market, the biggest market na gusto na lagyan ng jurisdiction is the US market, no? Napakalaki ng market in terms of financial and fintech market, guys. Kaya lang kailangan kumpleto yung requirements natin para mabigyan tayo ng registration approval doon sa US, no? Ang target entry for the US is 2027. So lahat ng mga kakilala natin ngayon sa US ay yun, gumagamit lang sila ng VPN para maka-access. So just like sa atin sa Pilipinas, wala pa rin tayong registration sa Pilipinas, but I know, no, it will come. Okay, so ito yung registration sa Hong Kong, no? With 1 million authorized capital at ito yung certificate ng business registration natin sa Dubai, no? On the right, itong picture on the right, ito yung mga Pilipino kasama na si Sir Mars at saka Ma'am Jeannie Lobido nagpunta sa Dubai office to see, no? To check the office at the same time para makita din nila yung mga founders at saka leaders ng Aurum Foundation. So far, no, since 2024, ano na ba yung mga key achievements ng Aurum? So first, ito lang, no? Meron na tayong, ang Aurum has $150 million plus of asset under management. Yung mga kapital natin na nilagay sa bot, dito yan papasok. No, over $150 million of asset under management. Meron na tayong 8 products and Aurum now have 170,000 plus users and partners. Pag sinabing clients, mga users lang yan. Pag partners, yun po yung mga affiliates like us, like me, na nag-promote ng Aurum products. Okay, so paano ba? No, paano ba tayo maka-access ng mga products nila? Para magsimula na kumita yung pera natin. Kasi yung platform na to is designed to let our money work for us. Yung pera natin hindi na matutulog sa bangko. Dito gumagana, nagtatrabaho for us. So paano ba? Ano yung requirement o magkano yung product nila para magamit ko? Guys, lahat ng mga product ng Aurum Foundation ay nasa ecosystem, no? Parang nasa mall 'yan na interconnected yung mga products nila. But the entrance, no? The entrance para maka-access tayo ng mga products sa Aurum Foundation is the subscription. So meron tayong subscription requirement. So Aurum, aside from it's an EI fintech, EI finance company, Aurum is also a subscription company. No? Ang subscription fee natin per year is $20. So magbabayad tayo ng $20 per year, no, para maka-access tayo sa mga product ng Aurum. But don't worry about your second year's payment kasi kikita naman tayo dito. So wag na nating intindihin yung next year's payment natin sa subscription. So ganun ka-affordable ang ating ecosystem dito. So may nakakita na ba sa product? Meron. Itong Aurum Infinity. So this is Coach Paul. Yung ano natin, yung host natin. Nag-lead ng prayer. And then ito si Sir Mars Lubido. No? This is our first meeting with Sir Mars Lubido. And then in this table, lahat na to members na ng Aurum. Okay? Now,
Good morning. I'm here right now in BPI, ATM New Zealand here, and I'm gonna test this Aurum card, Visa card. Come on. So what we're gonna do is we will withdraw. Okay, we will withdraw. Start in, and it's gonna be asking PIN. So again, this card contains crypto asset. So I'm gonna withdraw 10,000, and it's savings. So I just commanded for these are a $250 fee for that 10,000. So yes, and let's see what will happen. So take the card out and say, get your card, what look. So I got another 10. We're trying to use this card right now here in department store, so Uniqlo coming.
Can you insert your card, sir? And then press green button, sir.
Green button.
Pwede pa ba?
Press,
You can move your card, sir.
one.
70,148. Nata sa Harold's Hotel ron niya. Mangutana sila.
Upa mag-roll ang video.
Okay na. If legit ba daw ang Orom card nga Visa card? So, check na to. Tanaw na to.
Okay.
So mag-wait sa atong bayad na kaon.
Bayad na. Ayusin mo.
Balik ka daw.
Visa card.
Yeah.
Masig.
Isa pa. Positive. Think positive. Think positive.
Apple gini ha. Apple ya.
Oh my gosh!
So guys, those are the videos, no? Yun po yung videos na yan. Yun po yung actual videos sa paggamit ng Forum cards. So ginamit yan to withdraw sa ATM, ginamit din pang bayad sa department store, even sa restaurant. As long as it accepts Visa and MasterCard. Now, siguro you might ask, ang daming product, saan ba ako magsimula? So saan ba ako magsimula? Guys, ito po. Dito tayo mag-start sa Orom XEI bot. Kasi proven na to. Sabi ko na kayo na, this is proven for the past 2.5 years. No? And then, you can start at the minimum, $100. No? Kailangan mo lamang bayad ng $20 subscription. And then, kung may extra pera ka, mas mangga sa $250 kasi mas mataas yung profit natin every day or every month. If you have extra money na natutulog yan, you can go for as high as $1,000 dollars para mas malaki yung kita. No, depende lang as long as may extra pera po kayo, yung pera niyo na di agad gagamitin. Okay, so aside from that, meron itong compounding capability. No, pwede natin i-compound yung profit natin para mas lumaki yung kita. Okay? And then as you can see here, ito yung comparison ng mga products natin. Itong AXEI bot lang ang may lahat na mga benefits, especially sa compounding. Yung ibang product, profit sharing lang, meron sila. But for me, dito tayo mag-start, and then if you have extra money, extra income, pwede nating ilagay yan sa ibang product. Okay, so this is the example of result daily. No, kasi si Sir Mars Lubido 10,000 yung nilagay niya dito. So ang kita every day is it varies, no? Depende yan sa trading result in that day at depende yan sa capital mo. Since yung capital niya is $10,000, so makita natin minsan $64, $74 per day, or meron ding low, no, na $44 per day. Importante, it's earning every day. And then sa system natin, mayroon tayong profit calculator. So mamaya ipakita sure natin mamaya actual yung profit calculator. And then yun. The company, no? Lahat ng mga tanong natin sa isang company na legit ay nasasagot ng yes naman. I mean to say, mayroon bang totoong product? Mayroon bang real people behind? Pwede ba natin makuha yung capital natin? And then, pang-apat na tanong pwede ba tayong kumita kahit hindi mag-invite? Di ba? Ang mga tao is gusto nila gumagalaw yung pera nila, kumikita yung pera nila kaysa natutulog lang sa bangko. No, the answer is yes. But then, walang company na walang risk, no? Ang even the government mayroon ding risk, di ba? So sa atin lang is we need to invest what we can afford, yung mga pera na natutulog, yung i-put up natin, and then it is based on our due diligence, no? Mas maraming risk dito sa Aurum kaysa risk. Okay? Now, this time, for those who are interested to share uh, this business or the products of Oro, mayroon tayong tinatawag na affiliate program. No, affiliate program is an option, no? Hindi siya obligation, hindi siya compulsory na lahat ng mga clients na gumagamit ng Aurum products ay kailangan mang-refer, no? It is optional, no? Sa gusto lang talagang mag-refer. For me, I'm doing this, no? Kasi walang gumagawa dito ngayon sa Pilipinas. I think tayo pa lang. So I'm sharing and promoting Aurum every day. No, in the morning, in the afternoon, at saka in the evening. So parang support na rin ito sa mga partners natin, sa mga friends natin na gusto din mag-promote ng Aurum. But again, this is optional. No? So, the purpose of this Oro affiliate program is to spread. So, dapat mas maraming user. Kasi nag-launch si Oro ng exchange. Ang kailangan ng exchange is mga users. So, napakaganda ng partner program nila. No? So, dito ko po i-build yung $1,000, $10,000 ko na kapital sa bot. Kasi wala akong pwede ma-shield out na yun na $10,000 para sa trading bot. So, nag-start lang ako sa minimum 100. So, lahat ng mga kita ko, ilalagay ko dito sa trading bot. So, welcome to our Aurum Partner Program. Okay, so ang Aurum Partner Program natin, automatic libre na yan. Once nagbayad kayo ng subscription na $20, naglagay kayo ng trading capital, automatic libre na yung affiliate program. No, option na lang yan kung gawin niyo o hindi. Okay, so sa mga gumagawa sa mag-participate ng partner program, once you log into your back office, mayroong referral link. I-share mo lang yung referral link mo sa mga tao na possibly may interest dito sa mga products natin. So, mayroon tayong direct sales or direct commission, referral commission up to 18.5%. But mag-start tayo ng 3.5%. Itong team sales naman, ito yung override, no? Up to 18.5%. Extra bonus, ito yung bonus pag nag-build ka ng team of traders, meron kang bonus, and then mayroong profit share. Yung profit share na to is override to. Halimbawa, may na-refer ka, kumita everyday ng $3, meron kang up to 30% na matching nakita galing sa AI bot, ProBot at saka sa SauceBot, no? And then meron itong shareholder bonus pag naka-achieve ka ng certain rank sa Aurum partner program, kasama ka sa shareholder bonus. Shareholder bonus. Ito yung ano natin, ito yung partner program. So, nag-start po tayo lahat sa 3%. So, kung mayroong mga kaibigan natin na nag-put up ng $100 sa bot, meron tayong $3 because 3%. Now, as soon as yung capital natin sa team umaabot ng $7,500, automatic yung level natin is Voyager. Pag Voyager ka, yung direct commissions natin is 5% na, okay? We can receive a one-time bonus of $100. Meron pa tayong profit match na 5%. So this 5%, halimbawa yung mga team mo kumikita ng $100 per day, meron kang 5%. Okay? Now, pag umabot ng $25,000 yung capital sa team natin, you will become a vanguard. 7% na yung direct sales mo, meron kang reward na $500. 7.5% naman yung profit share mo sa team. Pag umabot ng $62,500 yung capital sa team, $1,000 yung reward, no? Hanggang guys, tingnan niyo, sa reward niyo lang tingnan, no? $2,000, $5,000, $10,000. So, meaning to say, once nag-grow ang trading volume sa capital natin, tataas yung level natin sa partner program at tataas yung ating rewards at kita. Okay, tuloy natin yung last slide. Pag umabot ng 1.2 million dollars yung trading capital sa team natin, yung ating direct commission is 14.5%, no? Meron tayong extra bonus na $20,000, no? 19% na yung profit natin override. At kasama na tayo sa shareholder bonus. Pag umabot yan ng 2.5 million, maging 15.5% yung ating direct sales commission, meron tayong 50,000 na reward. Tataas yan guys, hanggang maabot natin yung pinakamataas na level dito. So right now, sila si Sir Mars Lubido, no? In April last month, nakuha nila yung Magnat level. So Magnat level, guys, imagine niyo 15.5% yung direct sales commission, no? And then $50,000 reward. Nagagawa sila ng rewards na $50,000. Ang sponsor nila ni Ma'am Jeannie, si Soman, itong center, ito po. Singaporean, yung rank niya is legend. Okay? He received $150,000. And then the sponsor of Suman is si HP. No? It's an Irish guy. Ang level niya is Arcon. Nakuha na niya ang $1 million na reward. So, itong rewards na to, pag isuma total natin, ang total niyan is $6.8 million. Sa reward pa lang yan guys. Hindi kasama yung direct sales kita natin. Hindi kasama yung profit sharing bonus. Hindi kasama yung shareholder bonus. Hindi kasama yung income galing sa kapital natin. So it's really money working for us through AI. Diba? So may nagtatanong, madali bang mag-withdraw? No? Sa back office natin may withdraw button. Click nyo lang, ilagay yung wallet address sa crypto. Click continue. Within 48 to 72 hours, pasok yung commission natin sa wallet. Okay? Ito yung evidence sa withdrawal. No, kay Sir Mars po ito. So, nasabukan na nila mag-withdraw ng $10,000, $4,500, $5,000, $500. Ako, nasubukan ko din mag-withdraw ng $50, ng $100, at saka $20 so far. Okay, so, meron ding mga promo like cruise every now and then. Ang company depende po, no? Every year magkaroon ng merong promo yan, promotion. All expense paid yan. Now, once you join Orom, you become an investor. Your money starts working for you. Yun yung pagagandahan. Sa mga Sakiko members nandito, business natin yan. We need to find people na maging member ng Sakiko to buy our products para kumita tayo. But dito sa Orom, this is money, this is an AI working for us, no? Through Orom Foundation. Kasi guys, no, if we don't find a way to make money while we sleep, klaro yan, we will work until we die. Okay, so that's it, no? That's our Orom presentation. So, balikan natin yung title ng ating Zoom. Can AI make us more richer? The answer is yes with Orom. So, this is the perfect time. This is the right time na makaliberate sa'yo sa AI, no? Through Orom Foundation. So, if you have questions, pwede kayo magtanong guys. Now, while babasahin ko lang yung nasa chat natin. Okay, good morning by Nick. Good morning Sir Romeo. And good morning. Good
May
evening, Ma'am
tanong sa chat box, sir.
Bernadette. Yes, may tanong si Ma'am Bernadette. Ang tanong ni Ma'am
Yes po.
is saan po main office ng Orom sa Hong Kong? Yes, Hong Kong, Ma'am. So, I will open mag-share ako ng share screen ko sa website ng Orom, official website. Okay, puntahan natin yung official website ng Orom for a while. Okay, the official website of Orom is orom.foundation. Okay, mag-share screen ako ulit ha. So kahapon 20 tayo, ngayon 19. So almost the same, no? Okay, so ito yung website natin sa Orom. Okay? Ito makikita yung about the company, no? So lahat ng ang daming information makikita natin dito sa website natin. So scroll down tayo sa baba. Okay, nandito yung mga product, yung mga partners natin, our official broker and partners, Binance, Bybit, Kokwin, no? HTX. Ito yung mga brokers na ginagamit natin for trading. Okay, guys, look at this, no? Meron tayong coming na POS, no, guys? Ito POS machine coming yan. And then okay, so ito yung mga people behind. Makikita natin yung people behind the company. Okay. So, ang daming information, no? Dito sa website na to. At least, kita natin yung transparency. Ayan. Sa baba, nandito yung mga products, the company, legal info, the community. So may Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Telegram. Pwede kayo mag-join ng mga official Telegram, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter accounts ng Orom. Ito yung address. So pwede nyo ma-check ito, mamo. Yung address is Unit 503, fifth floor yata to, sa Silver Cord Tower, 230 Canton Road, Shimsha, Choi, Hong Kong. With certificate number. Ito yung certificate number doon sa Hong Kong. So wala pa tayong picture sa mga Pinoy na nakapunta doon sa office na to, no? Sa Dubai meron. So ma'am, if you are near Hong Kong, siguro baka pwede natin mabisitahan yun kung totoong mayroong opisina doon sa Aurum. Di ba? Sa Dubai may nakapunta naman. Sa Hong Kong is wala pa akong mga resibo dyan. But the fact na doon tayo na-register nasa website natin, and this is a transparent website, uh, I'm pretty sure nandun yan. Okay, so siguro mag-login din tayo sa ano po, sa yung profit calculator. Napaka-importante yung profit calculator para makikita natin talagang ah, may pera dito sa Orom. Okay? So, I will share another screen dito naman sa personal account natin. Yan. So, ito yung personal account ko. Malapit na maging Voyager. Baka bukas, Voyager na to eh. 3,000 LV yung requirement. And then nasa 2,881 na. So, mga 119 na LV na lang, maging Voyager na tayo. So, we can receive $100 reward. So, makikita natin yung rewards na yan sa finance pag pumasok na. Okay, so nag-start ako April 1. Yung $100 ko kumita na ng $18.68. No? So wala pang 2 months, almost 20% na yung kita, no? Kino-compound ko lang. Now, so dito sa financial proposal, makikita natin yung profit calculator. So halimbawa, maglagay ako ng $100 dito. I-compound ko. I will just turn on the compound interest for halimbawa 3 years. Diba? That's 6,800. So magkano yan in piso? So yung 6,000, ano yan? 7 times 6, mga 400,000 mahigit. No? So kung itiisin ko yun in 3 years, and then ang target ng company in 2035 is maraming countries registered na eh. 3 years lang is my $100 can earn 6,800, magiging $6,852. But I will not withdraw. Hindi ko mag-withdraw sa 3 years pa eh. So every now and then I will make withdrawals naman, 'di ba? Pagkape or uh, pang ibang importanteng gastusan natin. Okay, so yun nasagot natin yung question ni Ma'am Bernadette. So siguro ang training natin ngayon, kasi kahapon yung training natin is about dito po, ah, sa back office. And this time, i-demo natin yung yung neobank. Paano ba i-access yung neobank ng Orom? So I will share another screen, no? Kasi we have an app, no? Tinatawag natin yan na Orom Neobank. So doon natin ma-access sa app yung Nero yung neobank. Okay, so I will use my phone para mag-access ng neobanking. So I will share my screen. Okay, so sana ba yung okay. So hanapin ko yung share screen sa phone. Okay, so this is another training. Okay, I will share my screen. Start broadcast. Ayun. So ano na, na-share screen na. So puntahan ko yung Telegram. Guys, yung Nero Banking natin sa Telegram, nasa Telegram yan. So paano ba natin to? Yan. Okay, so I would like to request everyone na before ko i-discuss yung neobank natin, look for this Orom official English channel. Okay? This is the official Telegram channel for Orom. Corporate to. So nandito yung mga events, no? Halimbawa, tonight, no, mamayang alas 12 yata to, no? There's a VIP call from the corporate, no? So may mga insights and updates tayo makukuha mamaya, no? And then nandito din yung ano, nawala eh. Orom Foundation Channel. So nandito yung mga international Zoom. Halimbawa, may Zoom na anong to? Orom Arabic presentation, no? May mga ito ang speaker si Malak Nasser, no? May 20. So, merong Zoom for ito VIP call to, corporate to. Ito naman is presentation from ano to? Anong bansa to? So, every day guys, mayroong corporate sponsored na Zoom meeting. Mayroong Polish presentation, no? So this is not an ordinary company. This is really a global company, guys. So I advise everyone na mag-join po kayo dito sa Orom na official English channel. So punta naman tayo sa Orom Neo Bank. Ang Orom Neobank pwede ma-download sa Android, Orom Neobank. Pwede din ma-download sa iOS. Ang pangalan is Orom Neobank. Gusto kong i-open sa Telegram kasi mas higpit kasi. iPhone yung ginagamit ko, mas mahigpit yung iPhone sa mga apps. So dito ko i-open sa Telegram. So I will just search Orom Neobank. Makita no, mayroong Orom Neobank. Just click on it. And then sa baba mayroong open app. I-open ko yung application through Telegram. And then, the same login ha. Kung ano yung login mo sa back office sa Orom, nandito din yung login mo sa Orom Neobank. So, dito sa Orom Neobank, makikita natin yung balance natin. Pwede kayo mag-top up, pwede mag-withdraw. At makikita natin dito yung sa menu sa taas, sa top left, mayroong menu. We can order our Orom cards from here. Click lang natin yung card. Now, so, magkano yung crypto cards natin? $249. Just click on buy virtual card. Dito din natin ma-activate yung ating once ma-receive na natin yung ating card, no? Actually, bumili ka ng virtual card na $249, libre na yung physical card. So, yung virtual card natin is Visa, yung ating physical card is virtual card is Mastercard, the physical card is Visa. So, dito rin natin i-activate yung cards natin. Okay, so balik tayo sa menu. So, kung mayroon kayong mga clients, nagre-refer kayo ng clients, you just click on partner. Sa my partner, dito mo makikita yung yung ilan na ba yung na-invite mo, magkano yung income mo. So, ang na-invite ko sa team, meron ng 179 partners sa team at saka kumikita ako ng referral na $3. Why $3? Kasi ang direct ko ako din. Naglagay ako ng $100 sa isang account, kaya meron akong $3. Pero ang dami kong mga na-refer, nilagay ko lang sa ilalim. We can also see here, staking is coming soon, yung EXAI Pro. So yung EXAI Pro, ito yung, tingnan mo yung user. Ang user ngayon ng EXAI Pro is 3,508 active user. And the total trading amount is 2,200,000 $236,061. Itong amount na to can be withdrawn at any time. Wala naman itong kontrata. You can get your money, profit and capital at any time dito sa ano natin sa AXA Pro. And then click natin yung trading bot. Sa trading bot makikita natin yung Solana. Ito yung Zospot. Pag nag-trade kayo ng Solana or DADS or PP, this is the Zospot, yung pangatlong bot natin, guys. No? So kailangan na natin mag-top up dito sa wallet. No? Mag-top up tayo ito. So if you want to use Zosbot na gagamitin natin yung Solana, so mag-top up tayo ng Solana. Okay? And then support. So nandito din yung support. Mayroon kang concern, mga issues, pwede kang mag-connect sa support in Telegram. Okay? So this is our Aurum Neobank. Okay? So makikita dito din yung withdrawals na sinabi ko, no? So naglagay ako dito ng $100 and then nag-withdraw ako ng $50 sa Mi5, meron pang $121 sa Mi5, then Mi6 $25. So talagang pumasok talaga sa wallet natin. Okay, so this is our Neobank. So meron tayong apps, tinatawag na Aurum Neobank, and meron din tayong back office. So what about the Nero, yung Nero Bank? So ang Nero Bank, so mag-stop muna tayo ha. So ang Nero Bank naman, guys, is nandito sa back office natin. Okay, nandito po yung Nero Bank natin. Okay, so yung Nero Bank natin, Nero AI, dito din sa dashboard, ito po. This is our non-custodial AI bot na yung ano niya, yung mataas lang yung capital, at least $1,000. So merong 3,000, no? Merong 3,772 user right now. Multiply mo yan ng at least 1,000, merong 3 million din dollars na naka-trade ngayon. And then last 30 days, ang profit niya is 30%. So again, imagine if may $1,000 ka, that's $300. Kung may $10,000 ka dito, that's $3,000 per month. You can withdraw it anytime. No? Collects direct from your wallet. No? So I'm excited also to use this one, guys. Okay? So siguro may magtanong, saan ba makita natin yung RWA? Nandito yung RWA. Okay? Nandito yung mga packages. But again, para hindi tayo malilito, kung saan tayo mag-start? Mag-start tayo sa XEI bot na $100. Okay, may question po dito kay Sir Romeo. Pwede pa makahingi ng yes sir. Oh. Send ko po sa iyo mamaya yung video ng ATM withdrawal po. No? Send ko po sa iyo. Okay, so paano mag-top up? Paano mag-fund ng accounts? So punta sa dashboard, you click top up, select USDT, select network, BIP20 or TRC20, click continue. Kung mayroon kayong crypto asset, you can set your crypto asset directly here or you scan the QR code. Papasok dito papasok sa main account mo yung pera mo from other platform. Kung wala kayong idea sa crypto, no? Pwede niyo i-send sa akin itong QR code. You just take a screenshot of this, send niyo sa akin or sa mga sponsor niyo. Kami na po magpa-fund. No? Sila kayo sa amin ng GCash or Maya, kami na magpa-fund ng account niyo. Papasok yan dito within 15 minutes sa main balance. And then paano ba i-activate? You just click on this access to Oro system. Follow lang yung instruction. Pag mag-green na yan, okay na. Next, you click on the create deposit. No? So you type 100 kung gusto kayong mag-deposit ng 100 or 250. So depende po sa ano nyo. So napakadaling gawin. Paano mag-withdraw? May withdraw button din. Select a coin, put your address like GCash address, and then select network, continue. Within 72 hours, papasok yan sa GCash nyo. Okay? Ito yung total na withdrawal ko. Binance yung ginamit ko, guys. Walang pending, nakapasok naman lahat. So again, thank you for the time. And then bukas, no? Bring your guest. Bring a guest bukas and then spread the good news. No? Dito sa Aurum. And after this presentation, I will upload this recorded presentation doon sa YouTube channel natin. Okay, so baka may mga question before we adjourn. You can unmute or you can just type, no? Your questions here. Okay, so every 8 o'clock, no, from Monday to Thursday, for sure yan, every day. Yung Friday is, titinan pa natin yung Friday. But yung Saturday is wala kasi mayroon tayong regular Zoom sa e-commerce club ko. Sunday is rest day. Coach Paul, the floor is yours.
Yes sir, thank you po sir sa sa presentation. May nagtanong sir, magkano ba daw yung minimum investment para makapagsimula?
$100 lang. Kailangan lang ng additional na 20. So total of $120. And ang rate ngayon guys, no? Medyo mataas yung dollar ngayon. 7,500 safe na yan. For $20 sa subscription and $100 na capital. Don't worry, every day makikita natin yung income natin. No guys, sa dashboard natin. And congratulations sa kay Sir Ray. Si Sir Ray kanina may na-refer, no? From Dipolog, no? Nagbabayad na ng $520. So para saan yung 520? Yung $20 for the subscription, yung 300 doon sa AXEI bot, yung 100 doon sa Pro, another 100 sa Zoos bot. Alam ko na paano yung dalawa i-set up, yung isa we will figure out pa. So thanks to Sir Ray na at least masubukan natin paano i-set up yung Zoos bot. No? So right after this presentation, no? Isi-set up namin yon. Okay, so the team is growing, especially sa Dipolog team, guys. Aurum has two opportunities presented to us. Use the AI and let your money grow. No, if you want on the other side, if you want to spread the good news to everybody about Aurum, napakaganda din yun ng reward. No? So I am doing both, no? Coach Paul and I are doing both, no? Using the trading and promoting the trading products, the products of Aurum. Okay, so kung wala na mga question, Coach Paul, I think we call it a night. Kita-kits po tayo bukas, no, sa another episode of our Zoom presentation sa Aurum. And yun, this is for all
Okay
of
po.
us, no, para sa atin lahat
Okay po
to.
sir, maraming salamat po sir sa nag-attend ni Sir Sir Ang, Ma'am Bernadette, Coach Meds, Sir Danny, Ma'am Elaine, Ma'am Shura, Sir Jerry, Sir Nick, Sir Ninyo, Ma'am Olivia, Ma'am Pam, Ma'am Rain, Sir Romeo, and I don't know, Mr. Bibo. Sumali na si Bibo nga dito eh. Magandang gabi po sa lahat at maraming salamat sa time niyo po na guest-spend niyo sa pakinig ng opportunity. Hope to see you on board guys. At
See you
magandang
tomorrow,
gabi
guys.
po sa lahat.
See you tomorrow.
Yes po.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. Okay po.
And bye-bye.